Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Happinessmajoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today is just today, and on today's video I am going shopping. I do not know the name of the mall, but when I get there I will show you what the mall looks like. So yeah. Okay, so the name of the mall is Batuta Mall. I hope I said that right.
If I walk to the sea, maybe I never say fall into the light. Every time I try to breathe, you're right. You carry me where I've loved and I have died. So I won't hold back, and you should know that what's never gone, just have regrets. So I won't go back, oh, but I got me to forget the time I lost with no regrets. Moonshine back again.
So guys, I am at the Marina Mall with my tripod and my handbag. Mask is necessary.
When I drove down to Paris, while I blame the world and then I shine bright. So I won't hold back, and you should know that what's never gone, just have regrets. So I won't go back, oh, but I got me to forget the time I lost with no regrets. Won't let me forget.
My head is heavy, let me lay it down. Into your lap I would love to drown. I need that story I used to hear, to run on into and disappear. I won't lie down and I won't, I won't.
So guys, I am at the Marina. They said it's really beautiful. Lots of boats and yachts in here. It's a beauty. I really love it. It's really beautiful. See you in my next stop.
And tear me apart. Your stories, they come from the heart. Moving together. And tear me apart.
the fit of the day. I went into H&M to do some shopping. I like the logo, the mirror, you look great. The whole store, this is the only dress that actually made sense to me. Keyword, to me. I put it on. I like the design and everything, but the material wasn't just working for me. And I was like, nah sis, you deserve better. So I moved to another store.
Don't like the lights, but it's camera time, so take the picture.
So this is the other clothing store that I went to. I found 3 or 4, 5 dresses that I liked, and I wanted to try them on. I like the shiny one. Let's do this. So this first one, I really like it, but then I realized the black part around my stomach area, it wasn't a design, guys. The things just fell off. Not me, but that's how it was, so I left this one. I also like this one, but I didn't like the feeling of it, though it's a pretty dress. This one, I definitely love it, and I took it. Play, honey, picture after picture. I also like this one. This one was so simple for just casually chilling around the house. I love how these dresses hug my body. They're like, ooh sis, we were meant for you. And this was my favorite, if you ask me, because you can actually make this dress longer or shorter because of the ruching on the sides. I like my dresses shorter because I have to show these long legs. I mean, you know what's popping. So guys, that was my little shopping vlog. I hope you like it. Yes, I was right. Okay, here in this mall, it has beautiful shops, and the shops are in different courts. We have Tunisia. People are just making noise, can't talk. Wow. Okay. People were shouting in my background. I had to stop for a bit. So guys, that is it for today's video. If you like this video, you know what to do. Like, leave a comment, share and subscribe, and tell me what you like about this vlog. I'm sorry I did not take you guys with me everywhere because I just can't take you guys with me everywhere. So yeah, let's get back home. Bye.
You follow me anywhere I try to be alone. I find you there. Oh, there's more to me, but anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. I find you